Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Around Deal and this is the best B2B data software. So before we begin, consider heading over to the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses onto the platform Around Deal. Now jumping onto the dashboard, you will be able to see, since this is a platform for multi-channel and you can say like B2B data software, so we have a lot of features related to that. You can see currently the contact name on the dashboard. So basically these are all of the people that we have added for different type of dealings and all that stuff, could be clients or whatsoever. You can see the contact name, job title, you have their contact location, information about their contact. So if you click on that, you will be able to realize about their mails. You can show the contacts and the company name whichsoever they are related to. You have industry as well. On the left side, you will be able to see that we have different type of filters. Now these are extremely important to simply filter out through the related people that we want to access. Like for example, we have our contact name, we can head over to that. We have our company name, job titles, we can simply filter through those. If I select accounting, you will be able to realize that it has filtered accounting and these are related to accounting. You can see in the industry or the job titles, basically we have our accounting going on. Let's just cross that. And similarly, we have various other features and filters in here. In the enrichment, you can see we have CRM, CSV enrichment and API enrichment. So basically this is the type of integration. They have your CRM and all those separately displayed in here as well. You can see in engagement section we have our sequences that we can create, emails, contacts, we can easily add them, and tasks and templates and much more. You have email verifier, so you know email junking is a really important thing to do, and we have many more visitors and analytics. Now let's just head over to its reviews and what people have to think about it. You can see a hidden gem, excellent tool for B2B generation. So to make sure you get an access to this tool, you can head over to the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Stay tuned, subscribe to our channel. See you guys around in the next video.